Alright guys, welding machine, you guys know I gotta get it done. I gotta roll out this part of the bed. I'm not gonna paint this part because the drop-in toolbox is gonna be built in the shop and dropped in. On this part, I'm going to go ahead and paint it. This edge right here, I'm not gonna paint this yet because I'm probably, well, I might. We'll see what happens. I might paint it. I might go ahead and paint it. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Be right back. Be right out. Y'all, it's been painted, rolled out. It's nighttime, so it'll take a couple more hours to dry, and we'll probably do like another coat, do another layer. So this is just the first coat. So yeah, that's what we got. All right, y'all, this has been the welding machine. This has been an update, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you guys want the merchandise right here, the welding machine. All right, guys, so if you guys want this merchandise, want this hat, you know, or if you want a sticker with the logo, just leave a comment down below, hashtag welding machine, or say I want, or hashtag I want one. You can get a hat, you can get a t-shirt. If you want one, just let me know. This is the new logo for the welding machine business and YouTube channel. So if you guys like it, leave a like. If you like a sticker, a hat, and I can let you guys know what the price is. And I would say the first 5 people that see this to get free shipping on whatever they want to buy. So just let me know down below, guys, if you like it, if you want one. Thank you guys for watching. Pretty much 100% cotton. It's a brown, or not brown, it's a jean. It's 100% cotton. And there's the logo right there. This is the new logo that I've been telling everybody about. You know, that's the new logo. So y'all tell me what you think about it. Want some merchandise? We can get some hats made. I mean, whatever you guys want, we can do it. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. This has been the welding machine. You guys have a great day and a great night. I'm sorry, a great night. But remember, if you guys want the merchandise, any merchandise, just let me know down in the comments, because we are going to be building a big fan base. It's going to be the Weld family, or we can be known as the Machine family, the Welding Machine family. You know, the Machine family. If you guys like that, let me know what you think. And you got any catchphrases, you know, like the Machine family, how you guys want me to talk about you guys, the viewers. You want me to say like the Machine family, the Welding family? I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments what would you like me to call you guys. There's plenty more to come. Again, the bed's just been painted tonight at 7 o'clock, and we're gonna let this dry. It's starting to dry in some spots. So you guys take it easy, have a good night. Weld practice, because after this bed is done, and once I start putting up my shop, I'm going to be practicing. If you guys practice, and you know, when I get the building put up back in the backyard back there, that's for all of us, guys. More videos, definitely. Once I get that shop put up, there's gonna be content, probably, honestly, content daily. We're gonna go content daily. Once that building's, you know, the process of me putting up the building, you guys can buy the plans or anything like that. Just let me know, because once that building's put up, we're gonna put out videos daily for you guys and help you guys out. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. If you're new, hit that notification bell every time I post. Y'all have a good day, Welding family, or the Machine family. I don't know.